Hi, and welcome to this LS1 Discovery video. I'm Drífa and I'm the LS1 Technical Support Specialist. In this video, I want to show you how you can email your receipts from the LS1 POS. I'm going to start by showing you how you can configure the email settings. That's done in the site service profile. And here I go into the configurations. And the email configurations are in the SMTP settings. And here I've already entered my credentials. I will also need to edit this variable here. And this indicates how frequently we want emails to be sent from the system. And I'm going to have emails sent every 1 minute. And here I also need to go into email receipts settings. And I need to select to send email receipts. And here I also need to select a Windows printer. And I save these configurations. And now everything should be set up. Now, to email a receipt from the POS, I can select if I either want to enter the receipt ID, or I can go from the daily journal and select the receipt I want to email. And here I can select email receipt and enter the address. And here you can see the email, and the receipt is sent as an image. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thank you for watching.